Thank you, Ms. Reem, for the nice welcoming to Siwa GIS team. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First of all, myself and on behalf of Siwa, I would like to thank Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center and the Emirati Society of GIS and Remote Sensing for inviting us and connecting us with in this webinar, which enable us together to share and gain knowledge. To start with, I will introduce you about Siwa briefly. Sharjah Electricity, Water and Gas Authority witnessed consecutive huge developments since its inception as a private company called Sharjah Electricity and Water Resources Co. Then its ownership was transferred to Sharjah government as Sharjah Electricity and Water Department. With the tremendous economical, industrial, and civilization development boom witnessed in the Emirate of Sharjah, His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, member of Supreme Council and ruler of Sharjah, issued his visionary decree on establishment of Sharjah Electricity, Water and Gas Authority, SEWA, as financially and administratively independent entity to distribute and generate electricity, water, and pipe natural gas to the nationals and residents of the Sharjah Emirates. As I introduced you in my previous slide, SEWA services and SEWA provides electricity, water, and gas services to the Emirate of Sharjah. Its services include generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity, as well as the production, treatment, and distribution of water, and the distribution of the natural gas as well. As SEWA future plans, SEWA has ambitious plans for the future, including expanding its services to more areas in Sharjah, investing in new technologies, and strengthening its partnership with other organizations. Our vision to be among the best authentic organizations in the world. Our motto and mission to be reliable, efficient, and sustainable. Our goal, meeting customer satisfaction through delivery of reliable services of electricity, water, and pipe natural gas at an excellent level of safety and quality standards in line with the most advanced technologies and under supervision of qualified and skilled workers. Moving on, I'll speak about our strategy. SEWA management strives to achieve the following aims: to cope pace with the most advanced technologies in the field of electricity, water, and gas supplies, promote emiratization and develop the human resources, particularly for technical and administrative jobs, intensively efforts and resources to meet the requirements of the customers and exceed their expectations, collaborate and coordinate with the relevant governance bodies to improve our services. And we have lots of collaborations with the Sharjah entities here, like town planning, municipality of Sharjah, and digital Sharjah, and so on. Develop great attention to the vital issues of our community, promotes conservations of electricity and water, and maintain our natural resources. And finally, maintain the environment and initiate consistent researches and studies on the feasibility of the renewable energy. And we have also a separate department for research and development in SEWA, which is handling this strategy. Moving forward, SEWA has 15 principles. And aligning with these principles, let me focus on the last three principles, 13, 14, and 15. If you can zoom. We, as Information Communication Technology Department, together with SEWA business units, have to set up our objectives towards achieving SEWA's goals and strategic objectives by co-pace with the latest technologies and best practices in all fields. And obviously, GIS is one of the main areas of attention. Knowing that about SEWA, let's now move to the technical part and unlocking the power of GIS intelligence. Today, we will showcase the power of GIS to make better decisions and solve complex problems, and how we have implemented or applied that in SEWA. My colleagues, Mr. Mu'izz and Mr. Abd Rashid, will start their technical speech now. Over to you, Mu'izz. And before ending, I just have to say one more thing about the applications of GIS intelligence and any project or the success factors of these applications relies on the quality of data, the data collection, the data management, and the data analysis. So for a proper data, for a successful implementation of the projects. Thanks for your listening, and the stage is yours. Over to you, Mu'izz.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Engineer Fatma, and thank you, Ms. Reem. Dear attendees, welcome aboard. At the beginning, we are honored to be a part of this webinar. Many thanks for Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center to give us this opportunity. Let us start our GIS intelligence in SEWA. GIS in SEWA. Okay, who we are. SEWA GIS established in 2004 at Electricity Planning Section with a partnership with Esri USA by District Company, the official distributor for the services in Middle East. GIS and SEWA considered as the only geospatial data source for SEWA and the utilities infrastructure data for Sharjah Emirate. In Sharjah Electricity, Water and Gas Authority, the system is used to locate the electricity, water, gas, and fiber optic networks, where there is a specialized team in each department in the Emirate of Sharjah, in different cities like Kalba and Khor continuously update these networks, and the system serves all the technical executive department in SEWA. And here, one of our achievements, how the emergency section using the GIS to locate consumer and locate the outage, using the outage management in our GIS portal, which Abdul Rashid, our developer, will talk about it later. So I hope that it will work. Can hear any sound?
No, we can't hear the sound.
Okay, can you enable it from your side, Reem, please? You have to enable it.
It is enabled, actually. Let me check again.
Under more, you can enable.
Under more
enable
sound. There is enable sound. Did you find it?
Could you check now?
Okay, can you hear a sound?
No, again, still we can't.
Under more, share sound option is there.
Under more, there is share sound option is there.
Okay, let me try again. Okay, we can hear the sound. So I think we can proceed. The audience can hear the sound.
Now it's okay.
Yes. We can.
I will describe also at the same time. Here the consumer is receiving the SMS showing him that there is an interruption in his network due to emergency or network modification. And from the GIS, there's showing all the affected consumer, and the system will send them SMS, customized SMS to show them that there will be an interruption in their network due to network modification from time for a specific time. You can hear the sound?
Yes, proceed.
You can hear the video sound or only Moaz or us?
I think no, they can't hear it.
It's okay.
It's okay.
No, they can't hear the video actually. If you have the video separately, I think it would be better, like out of the presentation. And play it separately if you would like to.
هذا هو نص الرسالة التي من المحتمل
Now it's okay.
أن تصل للمستهلك حال قطاع الكهرباء، وهي نتاج أحدث البرامج التي أطلقتها هيئة كهرباء ومياه وغاز الشارقة مؤخرا عبر نظام إدارة انقطاع التيار الكهربائي باستخدام المعلومات الجغرافية.
يهدف هذا النظام إلى إرسال رسائل نصية قصيرة للمستهلكين المتأثرين من انقطاع التيار الكهربائي الناتج عن انقطاع مفاجئ للتيار الكهربائي أو الصيانة الدورية، بحيث يتم إبلاغ مسبق للمستهلكين عن زمن الانقطاع وتاريخ الانقطاع.
فريق أخبار الدار رافق الفريق الفني لإحدى المناطق التي بها عطل كهربائي، وعبر نظم المعلومات الجغرافية تم تحديد الموقع عبر خريطة المنطقة ليصل الفريق الفني في أقصر وقت ممكن إلى مكان العطل وإصلاحه.
خطتنا احنا لتطوير المكاتب الطوارئ، مسوين الخطه هاي لسرعه الاستجابه وصول للعطل، وحتى حق صيانه لوحات التوزيع او محولات الكهرباء. ندعو الجمهور لتفعيل بياناتهم عن طريق تطبيق هيئه كهرباء مياه شارجه.
برنامج نظام إدارة انقطاع التيار الكهربائي من المقرر أن يسهم في حل الكثير من المشكلات، منها تقليل الكم الهائل من الاتصالات للإبلاغ عن الأعطال، ناهيك عن تهيئة المستهلك وإبلاغه قبل قطع التيار الكهربائي لأخذ الاحتياطات اللازمة، فيما دعت الهيئة الجمهور لتحديث بياناتهم الشخصية لتسهيل قراءتها عبر النظام.
Okay, that's it. Let us go for the next slide, talking about the vision of the GIS to be the premier provider of geospatial information and GIS services for utility authority within the GCC region. Talking about our mission, provide high quality, accurate, consistent, accessible, affordable, reliable, and comprehensive GIS solutions for geospatial data to SEWA departments, its partners, and customers to meet the greater needs of sustainability development and growth of Sharjah Emirate. Here we will talk about the GIS service coverage. We are covering Sharjah city as well as the central zone, including Hamriya, and another part of Sharjah, which is Khorfakkan and Talba cities. All services included electricity, water and gas, and fiber optic and street light networks. This is our main GIS portal. Okay, we have more than 330 SEWA staff, technical staff or managers accessing this portal with many options are there. This portal customized and developed in-house and customized as per the department's needs. More than 23 departments and sections in SEWA accessing this portal to get many services related to their departments. As example, we'll take the NOC section. They are printing the NOC and issuing NOC from the GIS portal, as well as the emergency section. They are tracing the network and defining the consumer, because this portal integrated with our CCMB system, which is customer care and billing system. We can locate the consumer through this portal and identify all the networks around this consumer, and to save time and efforts as well. This is our integrations with we are integrated to ETAP and estimation web system and DMS system and water gems, CCMB and SAP, and as well as SCADA. GIS plan integrations. These are the samples of our data in GIS. The fiber optic cable and street light, electricity network and water network, as well as gas network. This is our portals and dashboard, which is customized and developed in-house. Okay, next slide will be for Abdul Rashid to show you, our developer, to show you the GIS dashboard and other achievement of GIS. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohit and Engineer Fatima. And also, I would like to thank you for Muhammad bin Rashid and the Space Center team for giving an opportunity to present in this webinar. I would like to show some of the key SEWA GIS applications we are using for different purposes. So, as you know, we are using RGS Enterprise as a key for all SEWA, like ranging from ArcMap, RGS Pro, and also RGS Server and RGS Portal. And also we have lot of other applications like SEWA GIS Portal and electricity mobile application, water outage system, and we have water field application customized using a collector for RGS. So we will see one by one all these applications. What are the key features? As Engineer Moise mentioned about SEWA GIS portal, so I'm not going introduction about that one, but it is just something like we have one video recording other than showing a live demo. So we will see the video recording. Then in between we can see what are the features available in the GIS portal. just I am trying to say about that in GIS portal, we have so many layers attached to electricity, water, gas network for Sharjah, Corfukan, and Kalba city. As well as now we can see in this screen, there is some water maintenance history we attach it from the field mobile applications. When whatever working in the field, we can see, managers can see through GIS portal. Here there is a outage management system. Using the outage management system, our team can plan whatever the outages are in the future happening. So based on that one, we can inform the consumers about the outage details as well as the affected consumers in the field. Here, based on the scheduled time, system will automatically generate the SMS and we can send the SMS to the consumers. Here we are for testing purpose, we are selecting only one consumer. And here using these features, our maintenance team, planning team can create a project and we can create a project. After that, we can submit for the management approval and the manager can remodify if it is in case if it is some modification required. Finally, they can work until the finalization, until the completion of the project. Here we are sharing the URL with our colleagues. So whenever he's opening this URL, he can directly go to that planned location. After that, in case if he want, he can modify the project and resubmit to the created person. Here we are trying to do the measuring tool. We can measure any of the area of the plot or houses, something like that, and also the distance also we can measure and we can do the printing. Here we are trying to change the unit of measurement. After that, we can print print the extent or current scale or the complete extent, we can make in a different printing format. Actually, there was a voice. I don't know you got the voice. Otherwise, I will try to interrupt in between. So after getting the printout, we can take the printout and we can use for different purpose. But there is something issue here actually, because taking printout is not always will be a good decision, because at the same time we will update, our editors will update the maps. So they need especially the field workers, they need a live data in their mobile. So that's why we created another application, GIS mobile application. The main users of this mobile application is the emergency department, maintenance department, field inspectors, and planning department. Also, some of the managers also using this mobile application to identify the location and different location and different assets. And also in this mobile application, we have included the consumer details and the complete location. The routing functionality is enabled by integration with the Google Map and Street View. In this mobile application, we have implemented latest technology like augmented reality. Using this augmented reality, we can analyze the consumers. What is the consumer name? What is the details of the consumer? And feeder pillar details, substation details. All these details we can see in the help of by augmenting the real world. So we can see just a demo of this one. This is a social initiative module. This is very recently we added just to identify the urgent care requirement consumers. So we have to care more care for these urgent care requirement consumers because they are using some medicines, some medical equipment, something like that. So that's why these modules also be added into this application. This is a fully custom developed application. So based on the user requirements, we are adding new features to this application. So, so we will go for another application, so water outage management solution. This application is just for maintaining the day-to-day activities of a field worker, just to identify where is the just to identify where is the issue location and how it will solve. For example, if there is any issue, there is a pipe leakage in the site. So the admin can see where is the location of this site and what are the affected consumers, as well as what are the valves we need to close to address this issue. After identifying this location, we will send this information to the field engineers. Field engineers can see all these details in the mobile device and they will attend the site, and as well as they have an option to send an SMS to the consumers, affected consumers, saying like even power interruption will be there. After completion of this, their maintenance task, they will report, they will send again the SMS about the completion of the task and they will report to the system. The same time manager can see what is happening, what is going in the field and how many cases happened today, what was the reason, and in which area more issues are happening, and what is the issue and how we can make a resolution. All these type of information manager can identify through a dashboard. So we have a quick demo of this one. So we have another field operation applications is for water department. So I'm not going in detail in this application because of the time constraint. But again, there are six sub application within a single application. So I'm not going for the video of this one. So I will go directly to. We have another analytic dashboard. As a dashboard, using dashboard, we can see the monitor the what are the live events, making decisions. Managers can make a decision. But in using GIS dashboard, it is something like a location-based analytics. We can, based on the there is an interactive visualization. Based on the interactive visualization, we can update all the charts and figures. So we have a lot of dashboards in electricity, water, and gas. So this is one of the electricity dashboard. It will show how many substations, how many 33 kV substation, 11 kV substation, feeder pillar, and year-wise feeder pillar details, electricity cable details. And we can choose, if you are zooming to a particular city or particular area or particular plot, it will update all these dashboard figures accordingly. And this is another dashboard is water dashboard. Here we are showing entirely different things, something like what is the length of pipeline, number of air balls, duct length, control valve length, and year-wise details, diameter-wise details. Here, using this screen, managers can identify within a particular time of period how many service points are updated, how many valves are updated. We can select the time range and the area also. Here, there are other dashboards, something like how many residential consumers, commercial consumers, total industrial meters, and some heat map also we can see in the application. For selecting a particular dashboard, what is our criteria? For example, some managers or senior engineers are continuously asking for some reports. So we will do these requirements as in the form of dashboard. So managers can save their time and they will get the live data. The same time, our who are working in our department, they can save this time for a better activities. So we have demonstrated some of our key applications. We believe this we understood these things. And if you have any doubt, we can discuss now. And I will forward to Moise. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdul Rashid. Ms. Mira.